Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back to SMC Health and Fitness. This is Said Muzamil, Health, Fitness, and Nutrition Coach. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the instant update on my latest videos. Today, I am busting the myth of burning fat from your abdominal area or from your stomach by performing the abs exercises. So, stay tuned. So this concept is very much popular with many peoples and in many gyms. People still believe that spot reduction is possible. What is spot reduction? Spot reduction means burning fat from a specific targeted area by performing the only particular exercises like doing ab crunches or ab exercises to burn the fat from your abdominal area, or doing the side bends to reduce the fat from your love handles, or doing the arms exercises to reduce the fat from your arms. It's been years and decades by proving that spot reduction is not possible. You cannot burn the fat by doing crunches or abs exercises, but still people believe in spot reduction. I have seen many people asking that my overall body is good, but I have only fat in my abdominal area. So which exercise I should do to burn the fat from my stomach? But let me clear you one thing. Your body will not store the fat in only one area. It will store in overall body, but your genetics, your gender and your hormones decide where to store the fat in more quantity. Some people store the fat more in their abdominal area, whereas some people store more fat in their hips and legs, and some people store more fat in their back, and some people store more fat in their arms. It depends on their body, on their gender, genetics, and hormones. Your body stores fat in overall body. Only your genetics, gender, and hormone decides where to store the fat in more quantity. And I have seen many people doing ab crunches, leg raises, side bends for more than 30 to 40 minutes or before their workout, or sometimes doing only these kind of exercises without doing any resistance training. I am not telling that these exercises are not good or these exercises are bad, but doing these exercises by thinking that it will help to reduce the fat around your stomach is wrong. There are hundreds and thousands of scientific evidence and scientific researches which proves that spot reduction is not possible. You cannot burn the fat from one particular body part or one particular targeted area by performing that particular body part exercises, because fat is not metabolically active, which means it will not utilize the energy to repair and maintain itself, because fat is a energy on its own. It is a stored energy in your body, but muscle is a metabolically active, which means it can utilize the energy to repair and maintain itself. If you are doing abs exercise or crunches, you are actually training your abs muscle, not fat. In any kind of exercises, you are training only your muscles. In order to burn fat, you have to concentrate on your nutrition and your diet. Your daily calorie intake should be lower than your maintenance calories. You have to concentrate on proper workout and proper diet in order to burn your fat. And fat will not burn in any one particular part of your body. It will get reduced from overall body with layer by layer. And some problematic areas may take time to burn the fat. Problematic areas like your stomach or your hips and thighs. Instead of concentrating more on abs exercises, focus on your weightlifting, resistance training, and your nutrition, which will give you 100% results if you do it in a proper and planned way. Once again, I'll repeat it. None of the ab exercises, crunches, side bends, leg raises will help to burn your fat. It will just train your muscle which is inside the fat. So stop focusing on these exercises and give more preference to a planned and well designed workout resistance training, and your nutrition. So I hope it's clear. Spot reduction is not possible, and none of the crunches or abs exercises will help to reduce your belly fat. If any people suggest you to do abs exercises or crunches to burn your belly fat, then that person doesn't have any scientific knowledge. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, then hit the like button, share with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. See you on my next video. Take care guys. Bye.